episode of Stitch on Saturday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this scrunchie, and all it is treble crochets. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Today I'm using Caron Simply Soft in Tweeds, which is a worsted weight size 4 yarn, and then I have a hair tie, and I use the Goody ones. I think they're really sturdy and nice. And then I'm using my Clover 5.5 mm soft grip hook. So basically what we're gonna do is take our hair tie. Alright, so just made a slip knot. And then you're just going to slip stitch onto the hairband like this and pull tight. I'm just going to pull that tight as well. So now your yarn is attached to the band. And then I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, and then wrap your yarn around twice, and then go under the band, pull up a loop, and then pull through the first 2, and then pull through second 2, and then pull through that, and that is your first treble crochet. You're just going to wrap your yarn around twice, go in and pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. You do it 3 times. Alright, wrap your yarn around twice, go underneath, and just going to do that. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's how you make the treble crochets. And the trick with the scrunchie to make it all frilly is just make sure you do a lot of them. So I counted, I did about 100 treble crochets around the band. So you don't have to count, just keep going until you like how it looks and how full it is. That's what I do here. Just pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So I'm just gonna meet you after I have about 100 on here, and I'll show you how to end it off. Alright, so we're nearing the end. Oops, wrap twice, pull up the yarn, pull it through all loops. Just a few more to go, and then what you want to do once you have enough, you like how frilly it is, just slip stitch into the first chain 3 that you had over here, the top of that, which I think it's this one here. So just slip stitch into that and leave a long tail, cut the yarn, and then weave in your ends. So let me show you how I do that. Cut the yarn, oops, and then I'm just gonna weave in the ends. If you don't like weaving in ends, there's something else that I sometimes like to do with my scrunchies. Is gonna tie a little bow. Make sure you have enough, you've left a long enough tail. I think that looks really cute too. And there you go. Let's do it twice. If you don't like that, you can just weave in the ends as well. So so you could do that. That's one option. Then If you want to weave in your ends, basically just take a yarn needle, just weave it, and then the way I weave it in is just going through the bottom here. Go through the bottom. And make sure you're just stretching it out so that, you know, there. Just weave it in to quite a few stitches so that it doesn't come undone. It doesn't come sticking, poking out. And then if you want, you can just go back in like this so that it's secure. Okay, and then I'm just gonna cut. Just make sure that this can move. And just cut. And then just do that again on the other side with the other end. Just go in. Just go in all through all of these. And then come back around like this. There you go. And then just cut it. There you have your scrunchie. That's it. Super simple, super easy, and a great quick make for craft fairs and things like that. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, follow along, and share. See you next time.